it has a very good, very it's very it's very airborne and kind of a virus. Now, HIV. Let me talk about HIV. HIV is obviously sexually transmitted and bloodborne. It's a bloodborne pathogen. That makes it very different than COVID-19. SARS-CoV-2 is spread by there is a definition of the word airborne in droplet, and it has to do with size. So airborne means it floats in the air for hours, and droplets means it floats in the air for minutes. So that's the big difference. So this is a droplet virus, and you literally could be, if I am walking down a hallway with my mask off and I launch a cough into the air, and you walk by that same hallway 5 minutes later, you're at risk. I mean, that's the kind of thing you get with this virus and how easily it is spread. We saw back in March, it spread through people's homes in Italy, and we have the big fear that I have is multi generational homes. Multi generational homes are at risk. That is when the teenagers come home. Teenagers don't have very serious disease, but they clearly can pass virus, and they go off into the home, back in the home, and then pretty much it runs through the whole house. Grandma and grandpa get really sick from that, and so that's one of the situations. I also worry about the people who are away at school. A lot of colleges made the decision we're going to have students on campus, and that's actually not a terrible idea, because it gets the young population away from the older population. But it's time to come home for Thanksgiving, and I have been telling all of my students that are away at school that you need to get ready to come home, and you need to get ready, well, really right now. Or last week is when I was telling them, but you need to be kind of isolated and away from all of your friends before you come back to the area and get in touch with family members.